Hi, welcome to Barstool Comforts. First and foremost, it's crucial to remember that you are not obligated to chase after the latest trends. Trusting your instincts is key when it comes to crafting the kitchen of your dreams. Having said that, let's dive deep into the 2024 trends that have captured our hearts and those that I believe will shape the future of kitchen design. We are seeing a huge surge in seating with curves. Whether the curves are around the back, the seat, the legs, we are seeing it happen. I think it has to do with the fact that curves tend to convey a soft look to the space. They invite you in and encourage you to stay a while. And with the clean lines of kitchen cabinets and kitchen islands, curves create a contrast. We are starting to see a push towards two-side seating, sometimes called wraparound seating, and what I mean by this is seating that faces each other at the kitchen island. Here's an example showing off our Chase bar stools. Here is another photo from our customers featuring the Linea stools. It's interesting to see that all four people will face each other. It's also a really clever way of eliminating the need for a dining table. According to the National Kitchen and Bath Association, 56% of respondents have plans to add a kitchen island or maximize the size of an existing one in future projects. With that said, kitchen islands are growing in size, a trend that reflects a broader shift towards more multifunctional kitchen spaces. Predicted to boom in 2024, slatted and ribbed wood is a way to make your space feel super refined and chic, and is especially ideal if you love entertaining at home. This trend, gaining momentum for its unique texture and depth, introduces an element of tactile beauty to the kitchen. I love the texture and look of ribbed cabinets. They offer a subtle yet effective way to incorporate elements of nature into your kitchen and embodying a touch of biophilic design, which is still a popular design look today. Earth tone colors, they're still very much in the spotlight. These colors have a way of bringing the outside in and creating a sanctuary that's both grounding and invigorating. Earth tones have a way of dialing down the stress, making your kitchen not just a place to cook, but a sanctuary where you can truly unwind and savor the moment. Now, let's zoom in on a specific color that's making waves: green. And not just any green, but a lush, vibrant hue that's everywhere, thanks to the skyrocketing interest in biophilic design. It's like everyone suddenly realized, hey, we could all use a little bit more nature in our lives. And bam, green took center stage. From sage to forest, mint to emerald, each shade of green brings its own slice of the natural world into your home. Last but not least is one of my favorite trends that are not going away anytime soon: gold. Gold isn't just in, it's kind of claimed its throne and is not planning to vacate anytime soon. This timeless metal has a way of injecting a dose of luxury and warmth into any space it graces. We're not just talking about subtle hints here and there. Gold is making its presence known in fixtures, seating, like bar stools, hardware, and even statement lighting. It's all about bringing in a warm, inviting glow. So, if you're looking to add that wow factor to your kitchen, sprinkle a little gold dust around. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the hottest kitchen design trends of 2024. But now, I want to hear from you. Which of these trends are you most excited to bring into your own kitchen? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design insights and trend updates. See you next time.